Hi, this is Ken Long from Tortoise Capital, and I would just want to give a spot report here on the great work that Phil Wu and Griff Cooper are doing at AbleWayTech. This is the latest edition of their foundations course on applied system development with the OWL bundle. They've done a great job of turning my material into actionable, quickly learnable, robust systems. This is a typical follow up, very well organized, clear guidance, great resources being built up in their Thinkorswim community, hosted on Google Docs, with a very structured approach to learning. So I'm very proud of the work that they're doing and think that they've really understood at a deep level all the things I've been trying for 40 years to teach. So well done, fellas. Keep up the great work. If you are in the sound of my voice, I encourage you to check them out, and please send me any questions you might have about them, or you can see Phil's email address up there for further information. Take good care and have a great week.